What's up guys, well I'm here, and today on tutorial time I'm going to be showing you how to install TubeBuddy expansion. Now the first thing you need to do is head over to the TubeBuddy website. Now I'll put a link in the description for you to make it easier. Now click the link, now it'll take you over to the TubeBuddy website. Now right down here you can see I have a successfully installed TubeBuddy extension. Now what you should click, when you click that, well, it shouldn't be a green box for you, it should just be a little install TubeBuddy, something like that. Click on it, fill the information to make your account on TubeBuddy, and then hit next, and it will take you over to the Chrome expansion add-on. So what you need to do is you can click right here where it says add Chrome, but for me it says added to Chrome. Click that and you will see it at the very top of your screen right here. Now if I right click on that, I can head over right to the TubeBuddy website. Thank you very much, hope this helped you, and I'll catch you in the next one.